Welcome back to another Vahrenberg Implement product informational series video, and today we're here with the Massey Ferguson 2607H. And what we've done is we've customized this tractor package for this customer. He added a solenoid third function valve that allows him to do 3 functions with his loader joystick. By pushing that button right there, he can operate his third function. And we put the RhinoAG BRGR84 brush grapple on this tractor. This is the new third function kit. When he pushes the button, it activates this hydraulic circuit and disables this circuit, and when he lets go of the button, it instantaneously goes back. We're going to operate this, show you the function of this grapple and everything. This is a dual cylinder heavy duty brush grapple designed for big heavy duty jobs. It's an 84-inch grapple. It's available from RhinoAG. This is the tooth version, and they also make a bucket version, so you can have a solid bucket with the grapple on it, or you can have the tooth, and this allows the material to fall out like dirt and rocks and that type of stuff. So all you're doing is picking up the material that you want to get rid of. To operate the loader joystick, right up and down are your front to rear, your tilt and dump are your side to side. Now what solenoid third function allows you to do is push this button here, go left, that closes, this is going to open, close, open, let go, and you're instantaneously back to your tilt and dump function. Push the button and you'll see that it closes to the left, opens to the right. You still got up and down, but you've got the ability to tilt dump and then instantaneously do your grapple up and close. Very economical, easy way to do it. This is a kit from Massey Ferguson, available from your Massey Ferguson dealer, and then you can put your grapple on and go to work. And we're going to show you how the grapple operates now. This grapple not only can be used on a tractor, but it even has the tread plate and open center design. So if you have a skid steer quick loader like a Bobcat, you can use the same thing on it. Got the 2 cylinders, got the big guards on the cylinder here for your brush on both sides. The hoses come in, and in here got to do a little hose management on a tractor because it's not as far to reach, but big heavy teeth. Got gusseted support down here, going to allow you to dig and get those trees and everything out of there and do heavy duty work. So if you're looking for a custom package deal, come see us at Vahrenberg Implement. We can marry the RhinoAG and Massey Ferguson product together to give you a single purchase deal and get you everything you need in one easy package. Got the quality products from RhinoAG and the quality products from Massey Ferguson. The 2600H series tractor with this heavy beefy BRGR grapple from RhinoAG. If you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're located right here at the corner of 13 Highway and Business 13, which is Fairground Avenue, runs downtown Higginsville this way. We're just 4 short miles north of the Missouri 13 and Interstate 70 junction, and we're just 49 miles from the Missouri-Kansas line. We're your Massey Ferguson and RhinoAG dealer here in Higginsville, Missouri. Come visit us and get your custom package deal today.